In today's tutorial, I'll be talking about how I make a little bit of money on the side doing affiliate marketing. I'll also be sharing tips on how you can get started as well. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel all about web design and marketing. So please do subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell notification. A few years ago, I started my YouTube channel. So I just started creating my tutorials, and the most important thing I was concerned about when I created this channel was views and subscribers. I did not even think that I could make money with this channel. So what happened is some time ago, maybe sometime last year, I spoke to Adam from WP Crafter, and we shared some tips on how to make money online. But the tip that really stayed with me was when he said that with all these videos that I create, I can actually make extra income by doing affiliate marketing. I know it sounds like it's something so basic, and I was kicking myself thinking, how could I not even think about it? But you know what? It really worked, and I'd like to also thank Adam for giving me that tip. So basically what he told me was, with all these videos that you do, why don't you also promote your affiliate and just tell people that you're promoting this product, so when they watch your video and they find what you're producing on that video beneficial, they're also likely going to use your affiliate link in the form of supporting you for creating these videos. So you know what? I started doing that and money started coming in. It was very surprising, and like I said in the beginning, it was very crazy because I didn't even think of this. I was just creating videos day in, day out, and if you create videos, you know that these videos take a lot of time to create, and it takes a lot of time of your day. So if you're already doing that, why not just include an affiliate link and allow people to buy the product using your affiliate link. So how it works is, in my example here, I use three main affiliates. I promote Divi, the builder itself, the Divi membership. I also promote MemberPress and also a web hosting company called InMotion Hosting. So what I do is, and I'm sure if you are a long-time subscriber to my channel, I always say buy Divi using my affiliate link, and I will give you a free course on how to get started with Divi. So when someone buys that product or service through your affiliate link, they don't lose any money. In fact, they're actually benefiting, because instead of just getting, let's say in this example, the Divi membership, you're just getting a product. But now, if you use my link, you're getting the product and also some tutorials on how to use it. So that's how I've been promoting this, and it's been making quite a bit of money. I mean, of course, this is not money that can fully support my income, but it is very good because it covers my hosting, my marketing, and that kind of stuff. But I know if I were to commit to this 100%, I could actually make a living with affiliate marketing. And I've also watched quite a lot of videos out there where people are actually making a living doing affiliate marketing. So the question is, how do you get started? Well, you need to start off by finding a product or a service online. Now, ideally, you want to make sure that this product or service that you are promoting, it's a service that you actually use as well, because if you're passionate about it and you know how it works, it's easy for you to answer questions and to guide people when they ask you questions about this product. So there are several places online where you can go to find these products. So let's say you're in the beauty or fitness niche, you can actually go into that niche and find products that you can promote. So here are a few places that you can do that. So there's ClickBank. So this is a very good website. They have a ton of products on there where you can actually go into these categories and find, what to promote. So, I mean, I don't use this myself, but I've heard a lot of marketers talk about ClickBank and how this is great for affiliate marketing. So as you can see here, there are a lot of products that you can go in and start promoting. So I'm just going to click here and see if there's more detail about this product. So as you can see, there's a description here, but if you log in, it also tells you how much commission you get when someone buys using your affiliate link. The next service or the next way you can do affiliate marketing is by going to Amazon Associates. So let's say you already create videos on product reviews, or you show people how to use gear. So you can actually promote that gear using affiliate links. So every time someone buys, let's say, a camera through your affiliate link, you get a percentage of Amazon. So this is one way you can also do this, which is fantastic. So how I do it is I try to create a course that goes with that product. So in the case of Divi, I actually created a website called Divi University where I add all my courses on there. So anyone that buys Divi using my affiliate link, I give them access to that. So I'm actually putting a lot of value on top of just buying that product. So with MemberPress, I've also created a course which shows you how to use MemberPress and also how to set up your own membership website. So when someone buys MemberPress using my affiliate link, I automatically give them access to that course. And what I'm also working on is a course on how to get started with web design. And for that, I'll also be promoting my hosting company, InMotion Hosting. So this is how you basically get started with affiliate marketing. So choose a niche. So if you don't have any skills, you can actually go into ClickBank, choose a niche. It could be baking, it could be anything. So with baking, there are obviously tools that you use for baking. Maybe it could be mixers. So instead of just talking about that mixer on your videos, add a link to or join Amazon Associates so that when someone buys that mixer through your affiliate link, you actually make money that way. So slowly, as you create more content, this accumulates and you start making more money. So the next part I'm going to talk about is very, very important because this is what really makes this work, and this is traffic. So there's two ways of getting traffic. If you've built your audience over a long period of time, which I have on my YouTube channel, I have close to 30,000 subscribers. So this was over a long period of time. Now, if you're just getting started, you may want to say go for paid traffic. So what you do is you create a basic website and then you promote whatever product it is. But instead of creating all these videos like I do, you can just direct traffic to that website or that page where you are promoting that product. So by doing so, when people buy from that link, you can actually make a profit. But you do need to sit down and really work things out here because you don't want to be in a situation where you're spending, let's say, £200 on traffic and you are getting maybe £50 from the affiliates. So you do need to make sure that you balance it out and you promote products which bring in a bit of money so that you're either at least breaking even or you're making a profit on this. So this is a very good way of getting started. I really like affiliate marketing, and I can see that the more I start adding more products, I can actually even make more money. So I recommend that if you have a skill or you're passionate about making money online, this is one of those steps you can get started with. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification to be notified every time I release new tutorials. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a squeeze page using Divi.